Hey everybody, this is John. Welcome to the free video. I'm going to dive in and look at the bigger markets in the premium video. Just want to look at some of the after hours stuff here in the free video. So biggest thing, the biggest earnings of the day were Microsoft. The expected move was $2.33, and then right now we are up $3. So we're getting into that 1.5 standard deviation move. Typically when you get to that, you just kind of keep climbing higher. That's beat expectations. Microsoft is making a lot of money. That obviously helps the NASDAQ, and you can see that the NASDAQ did have a little bit of a pop here into the close. And as the NASDAQ continues to kind of trade near its highs, this is something that obviously that can push it higher. Amazon was weak today after hours. Little bit of a pop there for, actually, let me look at this real quick. Yeah, there we go. And then Netflix, that's one we've been in. Google, yeah, so not much, just a little bit here and there. The other earnings play we did was AMD. This is one where we just sold the $7 strangle or straddle, and you can see it's come down, it's come up. So far that looks pretty good, depending on where it opens. And then PayPal, we were actually looking for kind of a quiet move, i.e. within the expected range. Right now it's trading $41.75. So it's within the range, but it is definitely positive. So you're seeing a lot of essentially positive action there, and with the exception of, was it yesterday on eBay, it got kind of clocked, but so that's kind of what's going on there. And so the next question is then what happens, to the rest of the markets and things like that tomorrow. Well, here let's look at some larger time frame tick charts, since we've been focusing on tick charts in the class this week. So we can just go over to style, 5 days, and let's do 3,200 ticks. And so this gives us a little better sense of kind of where the S&Ps have been kind of range bound here. And you can see there's a little bit of hurry up and wait there. Of the two, between the S&P 500 and the NASDAQ has been acting better. And if we look at the NASDAQ within that same range, you can see that we're near all-time highs here. So we can see if this thing can kind of push through with this. All right. So what I'm going to be anticipating tomorrow, we've got monthly expiration. I am looking for kind of a grind higher. I'm not looking for any fireworks, and I'm starting to look that the market's going to grind higher into the election and potentially sell off hard after that. Okay. Some of the stocks I'm looking at for earnings, I like the Baba, Baidu, different things like that. We'll start setting those up. Probably starting on Monday to kind of get through this expiration, and we'll go from there. All right, you guys have a good one, and we'll see you at the next update.